Hi everybody. Use of large numbers. Capacity. To measure water flow we use Q6 and TMC. Q6 is equal to cubic feet per second. Q6 is equal to flow of 28.316 liter per second. 1000 million cubic feet is equal to 1 TMC. 1 TMC is equal to 2831 crores 60 lakhs liter, that is equal to 28.316 billion liter, that is equal to 2831.6 crores liter. To read big numbers for convenience, we use symbol and make the number simplified to read. For example, 28.316 is read as 28.316. Next, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. 1 megaliter is equal to 1000 meter cube. That is equal to 1000 into 1000 liters. That is equal to 1 million liters. That is equal to 1 billion meter cube. That is equal to 1 billion liters. 1 trillion liters. 1 trillion liters. Weight. To measure the weights of the products like food grains and other, we use the following. 1 gram is equal to 1 g. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kilograms. That is equal to 1 lakh grams. 1 ton, 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kgs. That is equal to 10 lakhs grams. 1 megaton is equal to 100 crores kgs. That is equal to, it converted into grams, 1 lakh crores grams. 1 gigaton is equal to 1 lakh crores kgs. That is equal to, in grams, 10 lakhs crores grams. Length. To measure the distances we measure mm, cm, meter, kilometer, etc. 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Collect the population of the India from census 1991, 2001, 2011 and write in words using Indian and international system. Do you know Pacific Ocean contains 700 million kilometer cube of water. Earth weight is 5,972 sextillion, 1000 trillion metric tons. Exercise 1.4. Number 1. Write some daily life situation where we can use large numbers. 1. Mathematics, cosmology, which deals origin of universe and development of universe. Cryptography, analyzing symbols, statistical mechanics. Number 1. Human body contains 10 power 14 cells. Second, 6 power star into 10 power 23 cells in 1 mole. 3. 5 power star into 10 power 22 stars in universe. Second one, a box of medicine contains 3 lakhs tablets, each weighing 15 milligrams. What is the total weight of all tablets in a box in grams in kilograms. Here we see tablets in a box is equal to 3 lakhs. Weight of one tablet is 15 milligrams. Total weight is equal to 3 lakhs into 15 milligrams. When we multiply 3 lakhs into 15, 15 into 3 is 45. So 45 lakhs milligrams. Now we have to convert 45 lakhs milligrams into grams. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. We know it. So when we divide the 45 lakhs by 1000, 3 zeros cancelled. So we get 4500 grams. And we convert into the kgs. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 4500 grams can be divided by the 1000. It also 3 zeros cancel. That's why we will get 4.5 kgs. Next, third one. Damodar wants to buy onions in Kurnool market. Each onion bag weight 45 kgs. He loaded 326 onions bags with 45 kg in a lorry. Find the total weight of onions in kilograms and quintals. Weight of onion bag is 45 kg. Number of bags 326. Total weight. Now we have to multiply with 326 with 45. We get 14,670 kgs. Now we convert the total in quintals. So 1 quintal is equal to 100 kgs. We know. So when we divide the 14,670 kgs by 100, we got 146.7 quintals. Next, fourth one. The population of 4 South Indian states according to 2011 census: Andhra Pradesh 8 crores 46 lakhs 65,533, Karnataka 6 crores 11 lakhs 30,704, Tamil Nadu 7 crores 21 lakhs 38,958, and Kerala 3 crores 33 lakhs 87,677. What is the total population of South Indian states? So in this problem, we have the population of each state wise. So AP is 8 crores 46 lakhs 65,533. Karnataka 6 crores 11 lakhs 30,704. Tamil Nadu 7 crores 21 lakhs 38,958. Kerala 3 crores 33 lakhs 87,677. Now we have to add these 4 states populations. We got South India total population. So here we got 25 crores 13 lakhs 22,872. Fifth one. A famous cricket player has so far scored 28,754 runs in international matches. He wishes to complete 50,000 runs in his career. How many more runs does he need? Scored runs 28,754. Wishes to complete 50,000 runs. Runs he need, we have to subtract from 50,000 to 28,754. We got 21,246 runs. Next, sixth one. In an election, the successful candidate registered 132,356 votes and his nearest rival secured 42,246 votes. Find the majority of the successful candidate. Here we observe winner got vote 132,246 42,356. Rival got votes 42,246. Majority. We subtract 42,246 from 1,32,356. We got 90,110 votes. This is the majority of the winner. 90,110 votes. Next, seventh one. Write the greatest and smallest 6-digit numbers formed by all the digits 6, 4, 0, 8, 7 and 9 and find sum and difference of those numbers. The given numbers are 6, 4, 0, 8, 7, 9. The greatest number formed with these digits 9,87,640 and the smallest number is 4,06,789. Total, we add these both numbers, sum is 13,94,429. We subtract these two numbers, the difference will come 5,80,851. Eighth one, Harita has 1 lakh rupees with her. She placed an order for purchasing 124 ceiling fans at 726 rupees each. How much money will remain with her after purchase? Here, Harita having money is 1 lakh rupees. Each ceiling fan cost 726 rupees. Total number of ceiling fans she purchased 124. Now we have to multiply for the total cost, that is equal to 726 into 124. We got 90,024 rupees. She is having 1 lakh rupees. The total bill is 90,024. After purchase, she remains 9,976 rupees. Next, 1.6 estimation and rounding of numbers. So next video we will see this topic. Dear friends, please subscribe my channel. Share these videos to your friends and encourage me. Thank you one and all.